Hello guys, welcome to technojob.in. Here we are with the part 3 of problems on ages. So before going in detail about this, I would like to tell about our platform, that is technojob.in. We provide jobs for BE B.Tech students and also give information about government jobs, private jobs, walk-in drives, off-campus drives, internships and also tech news. So coming to the problems on ages of part 3, if you have missed the part 1 and part 2, the link is given in the description, so you can go directly to the link and open that and watch the videos of problems on ages part 1 and part 2. So coming to the problems, let's get started with the problems. That is, the current ages of Sonali and Meena are in the ratio 5:3. 5 years from now, then their ages will be there in the ratio 10:7. So find the Meena's current age. So they given you the ratios of present age and also 5 years later age ratios they have given. So we have to find out current age of Meena. So present age ratio 5:3 and after 5 years 10:7. So when you will do with this 5x plus 5 by 3x plus 5, this doesn't work out, because when you have same difference, this will be applicable, but you don't have here same difference because this is 5. I mean the difference between the difference between this and this, 5 and 3 is 2 and 10 and 7 is 3. So when the difference is different, then it is unable to do the process of normal process. I mean, unable means it takes a lot of time. So better you can do this type of problems. Before, in part 2 we have done like this, but they have both the difference is same, so we will do directly. If the difference is different, let's see how we will do the problems. When the difference is 2 for this 2 and for this 3, then what you have to do is just cross multiply both this 3 with 5 and 3 and 2 with 10 and 7. Then what it becomes, 5 3s are 15 and 3 3s are 9 and 10 2s are 20 and 7 2s are 14. Okay, so the difference is same. Okay, now the difference is same, so we can directly find out Sonali's age is 15 and Meena's age is 9 in the current age. So when you just see, you will get a doubt why she did like this. This is the age to get directly. This is the age, and here coming to this, just cancel this 3 5s are and 3 3s are. What you got? 5:3, right? And here also 2 10s are, 2 7s are. You got this? So this is the age, and this is the age, and this is the ratio. That is why we'll do in this way. And here see, you can easily do like 15 and 20, it's 5, and 9 and 14, it is 5. The difference is 5. After 5 years, this is the ratio, right? So coming to the ages also, when the age of Sonali is 15, after 5 years it becomes 20, right? When the age of Meena is 9 and the age of 5 years, it becomes 14. It is true, right? So this is how you'll solve when the difference is not same. So we'll see some other problems like this. The ratio of present ages of Rahul and Raji is 2:1, and their ratios of their ages after 30 years 7:6. Find the Rahul present age. So after present age we have to find out. And here see, present age and after 30 years age, the ratio is 2:1, 7:6, and here the difference is 1, here the difference is 1. So it is fine. Okay, when the difference is not not same, then you have to crisscross multiply it and then solve the problem. So that is how, when the difference is not same. Here now the difference is same, so how we will do the problems like this in a shortcut method. See here, the 5 same difference. So when the 5 parts is 30, after 30 years, right, they given after 5 parts is equal to 30, and 1 part becomes 6. 30 by 5 is nothing but 6. Just multiply 6 to the both the ratios. Okay, then 12:6 6, right? 6 2s are 12 and 6 1s are 6. And just they are asking Rahul present age. What is Rahul's present age? It is 12, right? Rahul and Raji's ratio. So you should be clear with this. When they ask you in Raji's, it is 6. Okay, so you'll get it out how she solved. Is that true or not? Then just multiply the 6 to this also. 6 7 is 42 and 6 6 is 36, right? What is the difference? When the age of Rahul is 12, after 30 years, what it becomes 42? Is it true? Right. And here when it is 6, after 30 years it becomes 36. It is like that. Just solve it. When here we have two types of problems. When the difference is same, just take the parts and make it equal to after 30 years or before 30 years what they have given you. So that is how you'll solve. And the other method is when it is different, just crisscross multiply and get the answer directly when the difference is not same. When the difference is same, you have to make the parts equal to something and you have to do it. And here we have another problem. My grandmother was 9 times older than me 16 years ago. He will be 30 years of my age 8 years from now. 8 years ago, the ratio of my age to the granddaughter's age was. So what they have given? 9:1, 9 times, right? 9 times older than. So 9 times older than means just we'll take x and 9x, right? Here itself in the ratios we'll take 9:1. This is before 16 years that it is asking. And after 8 years, what is that? 3:1 it seems. Okay, it is fine before 16 years and after 8 years. And in the middle it will be a present age, right? Before they given and after they given, in the middle itself it will be the present age. So be careful while just think logically. See, they given you before 16 years and now after 8 years something will be there in the present. So what they're asking, so just here see, it is 8 and here the difference is 2. Just crisscross multiply. 18 is to 2 and 24 is to 8 and the difference is 6 on both sides. It is fine, we made it. So then I said you right. So 6 parts equal to, they given you both. Here in the before problem just they given you 30 years, right? They didn't given you anything. Here they have given you 16 and 8 both the ratios, so you have to add it. So when you have added it became 24. So just make it equal to 24. So p equal to 4 you will get. So when you will get 4, just multiply with the ratios. See, here you all people will do the mistake. Here you are taking the multiplication, but it is wrong. What we are modifying with what means like 18:2. We are doing in that way. So we have to multiply for this, not for this. Okay, here you will miss that. And here see, and okay, 18:8, right? Then what with 8 if we'll do? Sorry, with 4 if you'll do what it becomes? 18 4s are 72 and 4 2s are 8. It becomes 72 is to 8. But what they have given you? 8 years ago. Okay, 8 years ago. Ago means what we are doing? 16 years before 16 years, right? So 8 years ago means in that itself they'll come, no? In that itself they'll come. So what we have to do, just add 8 on both sides. So 80 is to 1. So 16 ones and 65 5s are. It is 5:1. Okay. And see, be careful why we have taken 8. 8 is before 8 years ago. So already we are finding 16 years ago. So again 8 years ago means in that only it will come, no? In that itself it will come. So we are just adding it, we are not multiplying, we are not subtracting. This is how you'll solve. But 5:1 you got, but this answer is wrong. How? You'll have this and also this option. Which one is correct? What they are asking, just my age, but here what we did is 9:1 is 1 is my age and this is my grandmother's age. Okay, my grandfather's age. Okay, this is my grandfather's age. But at last what we got is, right, my age and my grandfather's age, but what they are asking, my age to the grandfather's age, so it is 1:5, and this is the answer you'll get. Okay, and here is a question for you all. 18 years ago, the ratio of A and B was 8:13. Their present age ratios are 5:7. Then find the age of A. So just find out the ratios was given and you have to find out the present age of A. Just do this and give me the answer in the comment section so that I'll solve this in the next video. And we will solve the problem which was given you in the last video. 1 year ago, Pramod was 4 times as old as her daughter Sakshi. 6 years hence, Pramod's age will exceed her daughter's age by 9 years. Find the present age of the ratio of Pramod and his daughter's age. That is fine. Pramod to the Sakshi. See, before 1 year, it is 4 times it seems. Just consider x because we don't know anything. So, x, what the Pramod age will be 4x, right? 4x is to x. So this is before 1 year. Then the present age, how it will be, we have to add +1 on both sides because only before 1 year, and now it will be a present age, right? After 1 year it will be a present age what we are staying now. So 4x plus 1 and x plus 1, this is fine. And here we have an 6 years hence, Pramod's age will exceed her daughter's age by 9 years. So 9 years it will exceed, it seems. After how many years? After 6 years. So you have to add 6 years. So 4x plus 7 and x plus 7. And here what? Pramod's age will exceed her daughter's age by 9 years. So it is exceed means we have to do a subtraction. 4x plus 7 minus x plus 7 equal to 9. So 3x equal to 9 and x equal to 3. This is fine. But what they are asking, find the present age. We have to find out the present age. So what is the present age? This is the present age, right? Just substitute x value here. So what? 4 into 3, 12 plus 1 is 13 and 3 plus 1 is 4. This is the present age of Pramod and Sakshi. And this is how you'll solve the problems, and the link is given in the description for part 1 and part 2. So please do watch. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.